It is true ukuthi during isikhathi sakaShaka there was a great war known as Imfenqane or Difeqane kaSuthu. However, it is inaccurate to say ukuthi Imfenqane was a war of land and dominance. You understand? Even though this war had displaced millions and millions of Africans from their land. You understand? Amamfengu, Amahlubi, Amabhaca, even Amanguni, which were neither Zulu or Xhosa or Pedi, which were independent Ngonis, Namambo, nabo were displaced off their land. You understand? So obvious, first you must understand the history of a KZN, or the history, yeah, it's a KZN. So a KZN, even before Ushaka became a powerhouse, the KZN has always been umhlaba wama warlords. You understand? Matinas, Gangwane, Abondwandwe, Abomthethwa, bonke labo bantu labo have been inkosi ezamaintaine power yazo through the use of force and violence. And even before Ushaka, lawo makhosi lawo have always been taking have always been colonizing or have been always been integrating ama smaller kingdoms into their own kingdom, yabo. However, ngaboma 1815, in the beginning of Imfenqane Difeqane, uMatiwane, Gangwane, Abondwandwe nabomthethwa have been fighting each other to expand ama kingdoms wabo, yabo, not because they wanted to umhlaba and to dominate abantu, but because besebazwile ukuthi from the east uMaqoma has been fighting impi, uKing Yinza has been humiliated as inkosi, you understand? And nokuthi like amaXhosa have been dispossessed, since amaKhoyi have been dispossessed of their land by labantu laba abanendlebe esikhanyilanga, by labantu laba abano-magic, labantu laba bakwazi ukubulala from a distance, you understand? So like besebazwile ngeyimpi ezayo, so they were preparing for the war.